Hello! We're using my radar to show you what's going on. This is the hurricane. It's off the coast right now. It's only like 30 miles away. We're going to zoom back out and give you a good look at this guy. It's still pretty strong. The wind's about 90 miles per hour right here up on the coast. So it's going to make landfall probably tonight, guys. I hate to say that. So here we go. Here's the path of the storm itself. So but it's only like 30 something miles away from the coast. So here we go. We're kind of taking a look at this, guys, and they're gonna shoot off to the northeast. It's gonna kind of. But yeah, we're going to keep an eye on this. But this is what it's going to do. It's going to be a Category 2 when it hits landfall. But that's going to be a big problem. Over here, they got like a nuclear power plant. That nuclear power plant is a big concern because it's on that little island. I haven't heard anybody talk about it other than one other person. I just want to bring that to your attention. Let me think where that's at. But yeah, I got a nuclear power plant off over here, so we'll see what happens, guys. Hope nothing happens to the because flooding and stuff like that can impair that power plant. So. I try to get my facts right before I even talk. I try to do my best, but we're gonna kind of look at a couple other things now. We're gonna zoom out, get a big picture of the East Coast. We'll do the outlook. Here's the outlook. Then here's the hurricane track. Here's the wide view. This is the track it took. It started way out here and it slowly worked its way up here. Look at this, guys. So they took a big hit. We're still waiting on the total number of deaths. It's not good, guys. It destroyed, man. Destroy the Bahamas. So I've been kind of recording this as it took his current track. It stayed off the coast of Florida. That's a good news for them. But now we got a threat up here now, guys. It's more likely looking like it's gonna hit landfall right in here. Right in here. This is pretty good. You got a good chance of hitting land right here. It's a passport. That passport that I just read. Yeah, we're gonna have to kind of watch this out right here. Okay, we can go ahead and switch over to radar scope. Let's give us live data. We're gonna kind of go up there. It just closed out by itself. We're gonna kind of zoom out Florida. We're gonna go up here. The radar is right in the storm is right in this area. So we're gonna have to probably click on this radar right here. We click on that one. That's the one we want. Actually, we want the one right here. Yeah, that's the most likely place it would be. There we go. Zoom in. I'm gonna put this thing in motion. So what we got, what we have, and we're gonna get some data from what's going on inside the storm itself. It's gonna take a minute or two, guys. Here's the eye. I think I'm gonna have to zoom out a little bit. I'm gonna close that out. Wait for my data to click. We got a lot of rotation and storms, so I think the eye would be more down here. Let me click on that and see if we can change radar sites. Right here, maybe? I'm trying to get the best location for radar for the eye itself. If I can measure the distance from the coast. No mileage. I think it's less than I think it was like 30 miles. It's right in here. So we're gonna click that again. We're gonna have to go to this one. It's not as good as Florida. So we're gonna have to kind of use this one and kind of do our best. There we go. Yeah, that's better. Now we know exactly where it's at. That's a good thing. Here's the eye. This is my biggest concern, guys. Right here. Here's the center of the eye. We only 31 miles from land. And if it goes this way, we still only 57 miles. So it's pretty dang close. So we're kind of keeping an eye on it. It can wiggle any direction. So, like I say, you got a nuclear power plant up in this area. And the rain and stuff. Look at this data down here. We're gonna go ahead and click on this. I think it'd be more. I think we'll go ahead and click right here, guys. Take a look. We'll see what we got going on right here. The stronger winds is up here. Does that say 25? Oh, that's 3 inches right there. Okay. Okay, we're gonna move up to about right here. Click data here. It's 70 miles per hour wind right there. Right in this area. Hurricane, you got a category wind. Yes, right there. So they're getting damaged right now in this area. 3 inches of rain. But then, over here, I don't like the looks of this. This is really bad right here, guys. I'm going to go ahead and put it right here on this one. That's 4 or 5 inches, 6 inches. We got about 6 inches right in there. The wind, it's not at, it's pretty much, but we get the most winds right down here. Yeah. 100 miles per hour winds. But yeah, that's what we're doing, guys. We're kind of taking a fast look at this. The track, the landfall track, it'd be more like, be like this. We're saying right now. So I think it'd be going on land. Right here, this is the highest risk, I think. I think this would be the highest risk. This is the eye right here. So we should expect about 100+ miles per hour winds right here on the left line. So But that's a lot of rain over here. So that's what we're doing right now. Kind of keep an eye on this storm for you. Got a tornado warning up here. That's a tornado warning. Got a lot of wind and rain reports. Wind. That's reports, not rain, ping. Right here, that's what we want. But yeah, I think this whole area right here being in trouble. This is the area we need to be concerned about tonight. It's gonna clip. You can clip land here. And it's gonna clip land there. More likely, if it continues going. But it still can move straight like that too. So that's possibilities right there right now. This is the eye right here. So we're gonna just have to kind of sit back and wait on it, because it's impossible sometimes to forecast hurricanes, because they wobble just like tornadoes. Tornadoes wobble too when they touch down. They don't take it, So see what we got here. So this is the watch area right there, in this area. So we're gonna zoom back out, and I'm gonna mark this eye and see which way it's moving for sure. But like I said, we are only, that's 82 miles per hour, 92 miles per hour wind right in there. Okay, we got the center of the eye will be right in here. We can say that's the center. If we're getting closer, guys, I think we are getting pretty close. We're about 30 miles from the coast. 30 miles from the coast for the center of the eye. So it's not looking good for the coastline, northeast. So this is 7 o'clock, pretty much 6:58 update. So North Carolina is gonna get hit, pretty sure. The chance of it is probably 85-90%. So we just don't know where it's gonna landfall at. I could do a model and find out where exactly it would go later. But we'll go back to my radar. Zoom out. There's the track right here. But it's been wobbling quite a bit. See how it wobbles? That's what I was saying, it wobbles. We can make another wobble to the left again. We can stall out. It could be a lot of things. See, if you cross it over, it still can have a chance to be a category 1 or 2 right here. So, let's see, then we got another storm over here we're watching. You're staying away from the U.S. We got a depression right here hitting Mexico, and we got a storm over here. Forecast the weekend. We got another storm here. We got storms all over the place. So here we go. We got storms all over the place. Here's the wide view. So anyhow, we got something up here. Trying to do something up here. But yeah, we're watching a couple places. Maybe the other day I said something going on here. It was a depression. So like I said, we just kind of sitting back and watching, making sure we get this right on forecast wise. But we took going this, it's gonna clip right here and it's gonna shoot up. That's a 1. So anybody in this area right here needs to watch out. Okay. We're gonna cut that off. We're gonna zoom back in. Oops. Say turn that off. That big blue dot I made is pretty much the eye wall. I'm kind of watching it, see which way it shifts, if it does shift. So anyhow, I'll make another update as it makes landfall. Have a wonderful day. This is Charles Weather signing off.